You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. Yes, there is quite a bit of confusion on how this is to be pronounced, because there are indeed different pronunciations. If you want to learn more confusing English vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more pronunciations for you. So, as a noun, which is probably the most common use of the word, it's pronounced pervert. That's British English, pervert. Now, in American English, pervert. Okay? Stress on the first syllable. That's as a noun, meaning somebody who has different characteristics, right? It's pervert, pervert, okay? But this is also a verb. When you pervert something, for example, then the stress goes on the second syllable. So pervert as a verb, pervert or pervert in American English as a verb, okay? Pervert, American English, or pervert, verb as a noun, pervert, a stress on the first syllable. First syllable, noun, pervert, second syllable, verb, pervert. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.